Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Clipchamp and importing the footage you want captioned. Make sure your audio is clear and the spoken language is uniform. Once your clip is on the timeline, select it and open the Captions panel. Choose Auto Captions as the method. This is the only automated path for generated captions inside Clipchamp. Set the spoken language, then tap Generate. You must do this on the specific clip first, because auto captions attach per clip rather than project-wide. Once generation starts, monitor the progress bar and prepare to review. Clipchamp produces time-coded captions that may need alignment. Make sure to adjust language and punctuation settings before finalizing. This improves accuracy. After generation, scrub the timeline while captions play to check sync and wording. Use the inline editor to correct misheard words and use Find Replace for repeated names or jargon, because automated transcripts err on uncommon terms. Cleaning those now prevents caption drift later in the export. Finally, choose how to deliver captions. Burn them into the video for social platforms or export an SRT for separate captioning. Make sure export settings include captions. If captions fail to appear, select the original clip and rerun auto captions. Generation is per clip, so rerunning fixes missed files. If words remain wrong, replace the audio with a cleaner track or edit the captions manually. Alternatively, add common terms via the project dictionary to improve future automated results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.